Why are 85% of the people zombie consumers? I know what you're saying when what you're thinking. Zombie consumers? What's a zombie consumer? Well, consider this. In light of all of these zombie shows that they have out here, zombies are mindless creatures that feed off of the minds and the brains of other living human beings. So zombies can't think for themselves. They're just creatures of habit that just do things and need other people to actually feed them and use their minds to actually get them to go. Otherwise, they walk around aimlessly. And a consumer, 85% of the people are consumers because most of the people don't produce squat. The people that do produce squat, they're the ones that go out and actually make the stuff for the rest of the people. Now, what's the reason why these people are zombie consumers? And the number one reason is because of comfort. It's all about comfort. You don't want to get out of your comfort zone. Your comfort zone allows you to stay in your shell. I'm safe here. It has to do with feeling safe and secure on the inside. You don't want to be criticized. You don't want to put a video out because people will know what you think and they'll hear your voice and you don't look right and all this stuff. It's because you're out of your comfort zone. And 99.9% of business is operating out of your comfort zone because most of us haven't done that before in our life. So it's immediately out of your comfort zone. So as soon as you start to produce, as soon as you start to make, as soon as you start to do these things, you get out of your comfort zone. And that will place you outside of the 85% of the zombie consumers. Otherwise, be comfortable, be nice, feel safe, and be a zombie.